Are you running every day but your belly fat won't budge? Even worse, you might actually be creating more fat without even knowing it. Today, I'm going to prove to you why walking, the easiest activity on earth, is twice as effective as running. And these 5 walking hacks? They'll turn your body into an automatic fat-burning machine. Sounds logical, right? But this is exactly why 90% of runners fail. When you run fast, your heart's pounding. What does your body think? We're being chased. This is an emergency. And in an emergency, your body doesn't burn fat. It burns sugar, glucose, because that's the fastest energy source. And burning sugar means what? Insulin spikes, cortisol, the stress hormone, shoots up. The result? After you finish running, your body goes into emergency storage mode, converting everything you eat into belly fat. Have you ever finished running gasping for air with your mouth wide open? That's a sign your body is oxygen deprived, an anaerobic state. In this state, your body cannot burn fat. It can only burn sugar. But it gets worse. Prolonged high cortisol doesn't just store fat, it destroys muscle. You're burning down your body's natural calorie-burning engine. So what's the solution? The answer lies in a magical zone that 99% of people don't know about. This is a concept Olympic athletes have known for ages. Zone 2, a heart rate zone around 60-70% of your maximum heart rate. Here, your body feels safe. There's enough oxygen, and when your body feels safe, it finally opens the fat storage vault to burn. Imagine this. Fat is your body's precious asset. In an emergency, your body won't touch it. But when you're walking gently, oh, everything's fine. We can use fat as fuel. Running fast burns sugar, insulin spikes, cortisol rises, stores fat, and loses muscle. Body in survival mode. Walking zone 2 burns fat directly. Insulin stays low, cortisol stays stable, keeps muscle and burns fat. Body in safe and efficient mode. How do you know you're in zone 2? Simple. You can talk comfortably, but you can't sing. Or even simpler, and this will be our first hack. Hack number 1. The glucose sponge walk. Walking after meals. This is what I call the simplest insulin hack. Right after a big meal, especially lunch or dinner, go for a 10-15 minute walk. The magic mechanism. When your muscles contract, they open a side door called GLUT4. This door sucks glucose from your blood into your muscles without needing insulin. It's like you're cleaning up the sugar in your blood before it turns into fat. One study showed walking after eating reduces average 24-hour blood sugar by 10%. Hack number 2. The nasal-only rule. Sounds weird, but this is your automatic zone 2 switch. Throughout your walk, only breathe through your nose. If you have to open your mouth, you're walking too fast. Nasal breathing does 3 magical things. It ensures you're in an aerobic state, where fat burning happens. It activates the Bohr effect. A slight increase in CO2 helps deliver 10 to 20% more oxygen into your bloodstream and releases it into cells more efficiently. It releases nitric oxide, a natural blood vessel dilator that lowers cortisol and activates the parasympathetic nervous system, your relaxation and fat burning mode. Hack number 3. Rucking, walking with lightweight. Wear a light backpack weighing about 5 to 10 pounds. Could be a few water bottles or books. Don't think it's simple. Lightweight activates type 2 muscle fibers, your strength fibers, but doesn't damage joints like running. More importantly, pressure on your bones stimulates the release of osteocalcin hormone, which improves insulin sensitivity and burns an extra 10 to 20% calories. You're building muscle while burning fat. Hack number 4. The Optic Flow Reset. Natural cortisol hack. This is a neuropsychology hack. When walking outdoors, let your eyes scan across the horizon. Panoramic vision. Absolutely do not look down at your phone. The science. Looking at your phone creates tunnel vision, activating the amygdala, your anxiety center, raising cortisol. In contrast, optic flow, the stream of moving images as you walk, sends safety signals to your brain, turning off the stress response and lowering cortisol. This is exactly why walking in a park reduces belly fat more effectively than walking on a treadmill. Hack number 5. The fasted morning activation. The final and most powerful hack. Walk for 20 minutes right after waking up before breakfast. Why? After a night's sleep, insulin is at its lowest. Your body is forced to burn free fatty acids. At the same time, morning sunlight sets your circadian rhythm. Cortisol peaks in the morning to keep you alert and drops at night to help you sleep well. This prevents insulin resistance, the root cause of stubborn belly fat. But that's not all. The philosophy behind these hacks is what will completely change your mindset. Many people think, no pain, no gain. But science proves otherwise. The human body is designed to want to lose fat when it feels safe. These 5 hacks aren't about endurance. They're about sending the right biological signals. Nasal breathing. We have enough oxygen, we're safe. Natural light. Circadian rhythm is on track. Walking after eating. Glucose is cleared, no need to store fat. Lightweight. We're getting stronger. Keep the muscle. Optic flow. No danger. Lower cortisol. Remember, running equals emergency signal equals fat storage. Walking zone 2 equals safety signal equals fat burning. Simple as that. My challenge for you. For the next 7 days, apply at least 3 of these 5 hacks. Walk in the morning fasted, breathe only through your nose, and walk after dinner. Take a waist photo today and after 7 days. I guarantee you'll see the difference. If this video opened your eyes, hit like to let me know. Subscribe to the channel to get more simple but science-based health secrets. And comment below, which hack will you start with? See you in the next video, where I'll reveal why eating multiple small meals is the biggest mistake for belly fat. Hit the bell so you don't miss it. Remember, easy doesn't mean weak. Easy means smart. See you again.